Bitch, I need a thumbnail. What if Kylie sees this?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sheena, back with another video. Today, as you can see by the title, we are doing an unboxing and first impression with Kylie Skin. I'm so excited. I literally haven't even opened it yet because I just wanted to be the full thing, just to see what it's like when you open it, how it comes, and everything. So I've heard so many good things about this line so far. Kylie does her thing with launches and parties, and I seen Heather Sanders, my girl Heather, do a video on Kylie Skin, so I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get it. So excited. I got my little pink robe on. I'm feeling like I'm in one of her little videos in the bathroom, but I just got a white wall, so it'll be a lot different. I'm ready to try out these products. Ooh, it has her little thing. It says, hope you guys love your Kylie Skin products. This is just the beginning. XO Kylie. Okay. She got her little picture on there, and it comes with pink bubble wrap. It says Kylie Skin. This is so cute. I love skincare. That's one thing that I really do love. Like, I love makeup, but skincare is my favorite. I feel like skincare is the most important. It's the most important thing, especially if you wear makeup every day. And as a makeup artist, I wear makeup almost every single day, and I have to take care of my skin, otherwise I'll be out here looking crazy. So I try a lot of skincare. I think I wouldn't say I'm a professional at skincare, but I've tried a lot of skincare. So we're gonna try Kylie Skin. Let me stop talking about it because I'm very excited. So when I went on her site for her drop, that kit, sis, was sold out in 4 minutes tops. Like 4 to 5 minutes it was sold out, and I was like, I couldn't even get my card ready. I was like, I finally went and I got like a bunch of products and put them in my cart, and then some of them were sold out. So I only got 3 things, but these are the 3 things that I kind of wanted the most because I already have a face wash that I use on the daily, and I wanted to get stuff that I think that I would use later on in life. So yeah, let's get started. First thing I got was the Walnut face scrub. This box is so cute. It's like pink ombre to white. It matches my nails. This is cute. This is super cute. Okay, the Walnut face scrub, it says, our gentle yet effective walnut exfoliator is essential for achieving a fresh face. It is packed with a cocktail of anti-inflammatory ingredients and skin smoothing fruit extracts that buff away dead skin cells to reveal a soft and radiant complexion. Okay, this one had a lot of controversy. Walnut face scrubs are apparently super harsh on your skin, and because they have the little walnut beads in it, walnut shells in it, and apparently it causes micro tears and a bunch of crazy stuff long term in life, which I do see that, I get that, and I've used a lot of walnut scrubs and a lot of harsh scrubs to the point where I was like bleeding, or like the sensitive spots on my cheeks would be super red, or up by my eyebrows would be like peeling from those. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because I want to try it out, and you guys are probably like, bitch, get to the juiciness, get to the trying on. So I'm gonna go wash my face, and I'm gonna come back and try the Walnut face scrub. She got me out here on YouTube looking crazy. It says apply to wet skin, so my skin's wet right now. Let's open up and see. The packaging's cute too, pink. I had to take my rings off because I would fuck up my face. I would fuck up my face even more. It comes out brown, like, it smells like walnuts, definitely. It doesn't feel that bad at all. Like, everybody was talking all craziness about this. It actually feels, it smells really good. It smells kind of like walnut, just like a different scent. Gotta scrub it into the face. It's actually not that bad. It kind of gets white, as you can see. It's not that bad. You gotta get all up in the nose with the face scrub. You gotta exfoliate, it says, about 2 to 3 times a week. I exfoliate like once a week, honestly, truly. But it feels good. It feels okay. Now the Ole Hendrix, I used that scrub before, and I have that scrub, and that's the scrub that I actually use, and that scrub is a lot more harsh than this one. It's like, these are super tiny. You can still see the little walnut pieces, but now with the Ole Hendrix, that's like super abrasive. But a lot of people use that, so I don't know why everybody was talking crazy before this launch, but sometimes there's just some haters. We're back, and I just washed off that scrub. Always pat your skin, ladies. Pat it. It feels good. My skin feels soft. I got my robe all wet messing with this. While with scrubs, I love feeling how the nose feels because that's where I want to scrub the most. I do have a little bit of redness, but it could depend on how hard I was scrubbing. Overall, the walnut face scrub is nice. I like it. I love scrubs because I wear makeup all the time, and you have to exfoliate your face or that makeup will just sit in your skin if you don't wash properly. It's a lot less abrasive than the Ole Hendrix, and I probably should start using this one more than the other one because that one be scratching my skin. I give it like I give this like a 9 out of 10, but I love face scrubs, so I give it a 9 out of 10. The next thing that I'm going to use is the face moisturizer. Comes in the same cute ombre package. Okay, so this face moisturizer, it says, our deeply hydrating daily moisturizer is suitable for all skin types. This formula conditions the skin for a soft to the touch finish without any excess oil. Oat and orange peel extracts help soothe and soften the skin, while shea butter anyways, use in the morning to create the perfect base for your makeup or before bed to continuous hydration while you sleep. Okay, it says apply to the face and neck as desired. So let's try this. You know, you gotta give it a couple little startup pumps before the actual product comes out. Okay. That's what the product looks like. Try it on. Smells good. I can't decide. It feels really good. I'm putting more on because I can't decide how I feel. It feels good and it smells good. It's kind of thick for a moisturizer, which I like thick moisturizers. I feel super lathered and it makes my skin look so smooth, as you can see. I want to see how it will be with makeup because she said in her little video that she likes it under her makeup for a base. It's a perfect base for makeup, so I want to try that and see how I like it. You need to use skincare for at least a week to 2 weeks continuously. Consistent. I cannot talk today. You need to use them consistently to see how it works with your skin and see how it feels with your skin. So I will be using this moisturizer and this stuff for about a week. Follow me on Instagram at SheenaBabyBXBY, and it's going to be down in the description, and I'm going to put on my story in about a week or so and tell you how I'm feeling about the Kylie skin. But today, like I said, is just review, unboxing, first impressions. I keep putting it on to feel it. It smells really good. My skin is feeling really good. You know, I said it was thick, but it doesn't feel thick on the skin. It feels actually really nice. I would probably use it as a nighttime moisturizer. I will be using it more to see because I can't figure out how I feel about it right now. Moving on to the eye cream. I've seen videos of this and I love how it has a little applicator so you can put it on just by this. I love putting my eye creams in the fridge because it makes it cold and you can put it under your eyes and it kind of depuffs everything. So this eye cream says, oh gosh, here I go reading again. Our revitalizing eye cream is the ultimate recipe for your eyes. This unique formula contains a blend of caffeine, green tea, vitamin E, and pomegranate extracts that help brighten, hydrate, and reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply daily around the delicate eye area. Okay. I forgot to say that her products are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free. So a lot of people out there are looking for that. Okay, so this is what the eye cream bottle looks like. It has this little applicator, which I love because you could just put it under the eyes, and we're gonna try it now. Let's see what this eye cream is hitting for because I love eye creams and I've seen all the videos on these. This is one thing that I was super excited about. Put a little too much on one side. Okay, let me feel it and see. Okay, let's see. Now with the eye cream, you always want to go upwards and bring it up to your brow bone. I like this cream. Okay, it feels really good. It feels really good. It smells good too. It literally like brightens up under my under eyes. I don't know if you can see, I do have my little dark circles, don't mind that, but it really brightened up my under eyes a little bit. I'm really feeling this eye cream. Like, I like this eye cream. I give this a 10 out of 10. My go-to eye cream is the Clinique All About Eyes, and that's my go-to eye cream, but this one feels really good. It feels really good, and I'm gonna try it in the fridge and see how it is because there's a big difference when it's cold, and it feels really good when it's cold, so you should try that. But yeah, my face is glowing. I'm feeling the moisturizer now. It makes my skin feel hydrated. I do have dry patches right here all the time, so it doesn't feel that dry by my smile lines. It feels good. Look, I'm like that is it for the Kylie skincare. She did her thing with this. Like I said, I love skincare, and I've heard a bunch of negative things about this. I've heard a bunch of great things about this line, but I think all the great things are true because I tried it for myself, and I feel like the people who are just talking shit are the ones online just like. That's it for the Kylie skincare video. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comments down below. Follow me if you're new here, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.